All right, welcome to another. So this is for a letter project. This is just the unboxing of these two new items. So I got this because I want to clone. I want to clone this PC, and I would need this for that to. Alright, so but this is just. I have an iPod Touch, and I think it has a charging port problem because I thought it was the battery, but it turns out after a couple of years of not using the this thing, I pressed the on button and it showed me a low battery load. The charging USB lightning ports is what is the problem. So I guess let's unbox the iPad first. So this is the iPod Touch. All right, let's remove the pack. Uh, uh, all right, so I'm cleaning it. As you know, it's been a while since I used it. All right. All right, so this is me opening it. All right, this is. I guess the reason why I like these people is they have quality stuff. So I like. So I got the 3 feet one because the 6 feet one of this was going to be like 20 something bucks. I'm like, what? All right. So let's see. Would this work? Yep. All right. I just want to check something real quick. The charging port which I put it at to charge the it's is like advanced. Yeah, the charging port is dead. So I will need to replace the charging ports of this in order to be able to. All right, I'm going to try using this, charge it, and see whether it will charge. Ah, ah. So I plugged it using that. Let's give it 10 seconds. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yep. Charging ports as this is messed up. Till I get that fixed. I uh, can't what is it called? All right. So man of the hour. So I got a new PC, a new laptop, and I wanted to transfer everything that is on my old laptop Okay, I got a new PC at first, and I wanted to transfer everything that was in my new PC into into the new PC, which is this. I got this, but I wanted to use this to stream, but it turns out that in order for me to stream with the application that I have right now, because as you can see, my background is invisible. You can't see my background. The application that I used to do that for free is not available on this, and I couldn't download it. But why wouldn't I use the free application? So in order to get the free application, I had to buy a, a gaming laptop because gaming laptop are also good for streaming. So I got the gaming laptop. Then I tried to because my if you see this, my uh my NVMe card that is currently running on this right now because let me show you. Yeah, so this that is currently running right now. When I put this system, which is beside me, so when I put the NVMe card in the laptop that I got, it did not work. So I was wondering why, why did it, why didn't it work? And I thought it was the yeah, I thought it was what is wrong with all right. So I put the NVMe card into the desktop and it did not work, which is a bit disappointing, but anyway. So I will try to copy the information that is inside this and put it in my server so that I wouldn't lose the information on this because this has a Windows in it already. So when I do that, then I will then when I'm done with what you call All right. All right. All right. So make a copy of this. Then I will then clone. I will clone. I will clone this PC onto this, and then I would what's it called? Then I'll put this in the uh, yeah, the laptop. 'Cause I watched a video on it, and so that's why I got this. And now it can be used. If I get another NVMe, can repeat the process with this. So yeah, that's pretty much why I got this. So in summary, I got I got this and this. Uh, I just got them in order to test something, and what I wanted to find out was verified. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. The good stuff, and see you in the next one.